Why was my stomach making a noise as I was gulping?
I don't know.
It was like entering my stomach.
Your stomach's alive.
Someone give me a beer. I need to burp.
Okay, we need.
Throw up.
Juice.
That was orange juice. That wasn't even carbonated.
I know.
You know what you should try, kids? It's shit. Okay.
He told me that. He was like, we should hang out and do man stuff.
Yeah, man.
He literally says that.
Man stuff. I like your fat face.
You want to go have man time without me?
Alex, no.
Without me? You're like, just cut it. Just cut it. Yeah.
You gotta cut it.
Yeah, good. Okay, done. It's time.
Somebody turn this off.
Ow! You stepped on my foot. Step on my foot. No, you lift the king.
Long live the queen.
Ow! That actually cut me.
What?
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it felt like it.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue balls.
Smurf balls.
Stop it!
What are you? No. Wait.
What are you gonna do? Catch it? You're gonna burn yourself.
Remember to turn off the thing unless you want to burn down.
The thing is
This
called
thing.
an oven.
And the other thing is called a house. So
That's the floor.
that's.
Don't whack me with the whacker.
Not like that.
Watch out.
No.
Dun 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 dun.
No matter what you do. So many burps.
I got it.
Everyone become cool.
What the fuck? What are you injecting yourself with, Sam? Sam's diabetic.
Cleaning out my holes.
No, I'm cleaning out my holes.
You know what I hate? But I hate the fact that there's pizza over there and I can't eat it. Nobody can.
Why? Why?
What? What?
Can I come?
Yes, you can.
Can I come? No. You hit my cheek. I've been shot.
What the fuck? Where is he going? I have to catch him. Don't get my butt plug. Ah! He'll never see me.
Come on, David, don't be.
Listen to me. How old are you?
13.
Shut up.
When can I start saying that? Like, that's never acceptable. It just came out of my mouth.
I'm extra cheesy.
Yeah, I know.
Here you go, camera. Not you.
Yeah, I know. Just if we say anything funny. Like,
Just in case.
Yeah,
We're
just
not
in
even
case.
saying anything
I'm like
funny.
David Dobrik.
I'm not even funny.
Yeah, we're not even doing anything.
Yeah, let's just quit
right
YouTube.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
And then you can say
Today I want to talk about.
I miss Tiger.
You said that like 5 times since you were here.
Big cat.
Just like while you're sleeping, she whispers, "I miss Tiger."
Nobody likes you, Tiger.
Yeah, nobody likes you. I'll sell you for a corn chip.
No, I said I'd sell you to Satan for 1 corn chip, and I said it would be a stale one and unsalted because all I wanted to do is stomp on it. That's so messed up. Why don't you just stomp on Tiger? Why does he gotta live in hell? Yo,
It's
Yo.
magic.
where's the spinach?
That's what you're looking for.
No, that's lettuce.
Well, then, are you guys gonna do Halloween? Because if you do, what would you dress up as?
I'm dressing up as the Ninja Turtles and leaving Johnny behind.
Honestly, I might be Deathstroke or Where's Water.
Stroke death. It smells like Jordan.
I just farted.
It smells like slight perfume and dog.
Well, that is it.
This isn't grease, it's just water. Ew. You disgusting. You disgusting. Hot Cheetos. He's on fire. Wow. Whoa. Wow.
Hey,
Whoa.
will you just shut up?
Yeah. Talk about something serious. Wait, what sauce are you making?
Alfredo tomato.
Oh, look at that. They are good cookers. They are determined to cook. Anybody can cook. Smell my hair, camera. I smell it too. She flipped me off. What? Oh, God. That's a nice cheek. Hanging out with my pizza. Da, 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 da. Ooh, bands.
But hey, no. Get your greasy hands off my camera. Yeah. You're not doing it while you're eating.